What's up guys, Lalukasan here from wearemarketer.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find upcoming product launches information. If you are doing affiliate marketing, then this video is really very helpful, because in this video I'm showing you a website where you will get upcoming product launches information, the product sales funnel information, and also you will get the vendors contact information. So that's why you can contact the vendors directly, and also you can request for your affiliate link from that website. So this is really very helpful video for affiliate marketer. So let's move on to my desktop, and I'm showing you that website and how we can find that products information. Okay guys, welcome again, and in this video actually we are going to learn about upcoming product launches information. And I told you actually I'm showing you a website where we will get upcoming product launches information. So first I'm going to open a new tab and I'm going to Google, and from here I'm searching Manchai. So this is the website manchai.com. So if you go to this website, this is the website. This is really very simple website, and this is like a calendar website. You will get upcoming product launches information in that site. So many vendors actually listing their product on this site. First I am going to introducing the website interface. This is their menu. They have some menus, and this is the leaderboard option. Here actually advertiser can advertise their product on that leaderboard, and this is the big launches, and this is all launches product list. And if you check out this listing, you'll see here have the marketplace and the date where the product will be launched, and also the product vendor name, product name, and the front end price. So if you open any of the listing, you will see looks like this page, and in here you will get the product information like the product name, the launching date, the front end price, and the commission range. And also you will get JV page. So JV page means joint venture page. This page actually created for helping the affiliate marketer. The vendor give us so many information about that product and some bonuses and the product sales funnel information in the JV page. So if you go to the JV page, then you will see look like this. All of the JV page is looks like different, because they are not the same vendor, but similar to this. If you open any of the JV page, you will see look like this, and here we will get the product information, what is the product actually, and we can understand about the product. So if we browsing this JV page, then we will see some of the options like you will see something like that JV prices. This is actually a contest when product will be launched, then vendor actually organize a contest, and it's based on the product sales. In this product actually vendor giving these prices, and also see this option here is grab your JV link. So you can request your affiliate link from here. If you click on this link, it will be redirect to the JVZoo marketplace, and you can request that product to promote. And also see here have some options like bonuses. They're giving us some bonuses. You can give that bonuses to your subscribers or your clients who will be purchase that product. And also you will see here have sales page preview. If you click on this, you will be able to check out the sales page of this product. And also here have some email swipes. So they are giving some email copy. That email copy we can use to send our subscribers, and sometimes they are giving some images and banners. And in the below you will see here have sales funnel. If you don't know what is actually sales funnel, I will request you to visit my website www.wearemarketer.com. You will learn a lot. Here have so many articles about sales funnel. You can check out this, and also you can check out my YouTube channels. So see here have the product sales funnel. This is FE1. FE1 means front end price, front end the product front end price, and this is OTO. OTO means one time offer. So when anyone will be purchased that $27 product, you will get 50% commission, and after purchasing that product, the vendor will be redirect to that offer. This is another offer, this is another product, and that product price is $27. You do not need to do anything for selling this product, this one-time offer. The vendor will be arrange everything, and if your customer will purchase that product, you will get extra 50% commission. And also if they purchase that, then the vendor will offer another product which price is $67. So that means you just only need to send traffic to this front end offer, this price is $27. If they purchase this product, then vendor will be offer that to another products. Okay, so this is the sales funnel. And also you will get email copy. Here have the email copy. You can copy this and you can send that emails, and I will recommend you to customize a little bit, because so many marketers will be send that exact copy of the mail. So if you use this same copy, maybe your email will be go to the spam folder. So you will see here have the product front end options and what your customer will be get if they purchase the front end product, and this is the OT option, what will be the one-time offers, and here have a demo video about that product. If you check out this video, you will see they are explaining and they are showing that product, how that product actually work, what actually product is. You will get a good knowledge about that product to checking out this video. And in the bottom you will see here have the product vendor information. So if you want to contact with that vendor, see this is the product vendor, this is the affiliate manager. Actually this is that product affiliate manager Skype ID, so you can contact directly with this affiliate manager and you can contact and you can ask them anything about that product, and the affiliate manager will help you to sell that product. So hope you understand where you will get the product information and why this is very important for affiliate marketer. So in the next video I will show you how you can request for your affiliate link to promote that product. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe my channel for more update.